Namaskar. Today we will study about skill of classroom management. You must be aware that learning is effective if the children actively participated in the learning activities of the class. The main purpose of the skill is to achieve to maximum participation of peoples in the development of the lesson. The main component of skill, first calling by people by their names, and secondly making norms of classroom behavior, and third giving clear direction, and ensuring sufficient work for each child, keeping peoples in ISPAN, and shifting from one teaching activity to the other smoothly, recognizing and reinforcing attending behavior or checking inappropriate behavior immediately. First one, calling by peoples by their names. People are attentive when they are calling by their names by the teacher. Though this seems to the simple but the great significance to obtain people participation. Good people participation control the learning activities. Second one, making norms of classroom behavior. This includes the pinpoint instruction to the teacher to the pupils. First one, the stand up and answer when you are asked a question. Second one, raise hand if you know answer to the question. Never give group response. And last one, listen to the teacher attentively when the teacher is teaching. Another one, giving clear direction. Here the teacher gives a clear direction to the pupils to follow the norms of the classroom behavior. They should not be engaged in any other activity when the teacher is teaching. The direction provides good classroom management, ensuring sufficient work for each child. The teacher should allot work to each child, keeping in view the individual differences. This act of the teacher will prepare each child for active people participation, keeping people in ISPAN. After teaching the concept, the teacher should check the effect of their teaching. We may assign some activity like drawing and diagram and labeling its parts. The teacher should go to each people to check his work. If needed, he should give instruction for further improvement. Shifting from one teaching activity to the other smoothly. When teaching some concept in the class, the teacher engages in many academic activities such as explaining, illustrating, questioning. He should smoothly change from one activity to another. When teaching to draw the circle, that should ask his people to draw a circle in their notebooks. This change is in the teacher's behavior is to shift one activity to other. Behavior shifting activities. The teacher must ensure himself that the concept under study has been followed by the pupils. Another one, recognizing and reinforcing attending behavior. In order to ensure attending behavior of people, the teachers should use verbal and non-verbal smiling, nodding head for the correct response of the people. This type of behavior of the teacher is very effective to simulated classroom teaching environment. Checking inappropriate behavior immediately. Skill of classroom management. This involves that if the people is not behavior properly in learning situation or may not be attentive mentally, he should be immediately checked. He should be directed to behave properly to the need of situation. This will increase the attending behavior of the people, leading him to better management of class. The practice of this skill does not need any sort of lesson planning. If many of practices simply to keeping the above component